Alright, it's June 07. It says the second term of a geometric progression is 3 and the sum to infinity is 12. Now the second term means that we had given the value of AR and that is equals to 3, and we have the value of the sum to infinity, that means S infinity, it is given as 12. Now for the first part it says find the first term of this progression, that means the value of A is unknown here. Since sum of infinity is given, so we are going to apply the working formula. S infinity is equals to A divided by 1 minus R. The value of S infinity is given, that is 12 equals to A divided by 1 minus R. If I multiply, it will be 12 times 1 minus R equals to A. Alright, now we had the second term, that is AR equals to 3. If I need to make R the subject, so that will be equals to 3 divided by A. I'm going to use the value of R in this equation, so that will be 12 times 1 minus 3 divided by A equals to A. We can take LCM here, so that leads to 12. A minus 3 divided by A equals to A. It will be an equation 12A minus 36 equals to A square. If you solve it, it's A square minus 12A plus 36 equals to 0. We can simplify by using the middle term. It will be minus 6A plus 36 equals to 0. It's A minus 6 minus 1, A minus 6 equals to 0. So you got two values of A, it's 1 and A is positive 6. The final value of A, it will be 6, and why I'm saying that, there is an explanation that why A equals to 6. If you observe the equation that sum of infinity, it's given as 12, that means A divided by 1 minus R equals to 12. Alright, so when A is equals to 1, the value of R according to this equation, it will be 3. So when A is 1, R is 3. If I put the values in this equation, so A is what, 1 divided by 1 minus R is what, it's minus 3, is not equals to 12. So that is not the correct answer that we are looking for. Simply when A is equals to 6. If A is 6, then the value of R, it will be 1 upon 2. Alright, now we are going to apply the same working formula. A divided by 1 minus R equals to 12. That is sum of infinity. 1 minus half, it will be 1 upon 2. So now we are getting 12 equals to 12. So that is a little bit proof that why we are picking A equals to 6. So that is our answer. Alright. After that, it says that an arithmetic progression has the same first and second term as the geometric progression. Find the sum of the first 20 terms of the arithmetic progression. So we are looking for S20, right? And the first term we has it's 6, and the second term it will be equals to 3. Alright, T2 equals to 3. The difference we have now is negative 3, and the value of n we have it's 20. I'm going to apply the working formula for Sn equals to n divided by 2, 2a plus n minus 1b. We can place all the values here, so n is 20 divided by 2. 2 times a, it will be 12, plus n is what, n is 20 minus 1, 19 times minus 3. We can solve the equation to find the value of S20, and that is equals to minus 450, and that is your answer.